Hello and welcome to Dataddo Academy. In this video, we are going to look at a basic split of our products. Our goal is to describe all the benefits of our platform and help you choose the product which best meets your needs. A Dataddo platform consists of 4 different products: the free plan, data to dashboards, data anywhere, and headless data integration. Now, we're going to look at the main features of each product. Let's start with our free plan, which is great for those just starting out with data and analytics. The free plan lets users extract data from ad platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and others, and send it to Google Sheets or dashboarding tools like Power BI and Looker Studio. It has some limitations like a 3-flow limit, a weekly data sync frequency, and no manual data loading. Next, we have our Data to Dashboards plan, which is ideal for companies just starting to work with their data. This plan allows users to send data to Google Sheets or dashboarding applications. Users can choose from multiple pricing tiers, which determine the limit of flows. The key benefits of this plan are hourly data syncs and advanced features like multi-count extraction and data blending. Our Data Anywhere plan is for those who want to enhance their growing data structure. This plan gives access to all types of integration, more than 200 connectors, and all premium platform features. There are also multiple pricing tiers for Data Anywhere, which determine the number of data flows users can build. Headless Data Integration is for companies that want to save engineering talent for their core mission. This product offers full access to Dataddo's unified API, unlimited data flows, and all premium platform features. And that's it. Thanks for joining us today to learn about Dataddo's products. Be sure to check out our website at academy.dataddo.com for more courses and videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.